Wow, look at him get bigger.
There goes our little parachute guy. Whoa! Ooh, he's pretty cool.
Fire.
How many are there? That is pretty cool. Oh, damn boat.
Oh, there is 4 of them. Cool.
Look at that, guys. That is very cool. Those are all parachuters. Over the lake or river. Is there a boat coming by us?
Yeah, 2.
Yeah, they're making it wavy. Oh, look at 2 and 2. Look at, they're circling each other.
Cool. That is real neat.
That is very, very cool.
A big one is a big one is fire.
How do they do that without lighting the parachute on fire?
Look, you guys are fireworks.